Shalom friends, and welcome back to Jerusalem and to Hebrew Gems. I am Reuven Doron on behalf of Sar-El Academy and Sar-El Tours and Conferences. It's a pleasure to welcome you back again to the city of the great King. Our Hebrew word for today will be for unity, echad, in the Hebrew language. And that is because going through the election cycle that we are just going through, still counting the votes, there is the rare possibility that none of the major party blocs will be able to form a coalition. A ruling coalition in Israel necessitates a majority vote in the 120-member Knesset or parliament. In case none of them could do that, we will have the rare occasion, and it happened in the past a couple of times, where the two main party blocs, which usually oppose one another, will actually come together and form what we call a national unity government. Memshelet Ichud. And that is our word for today. Ichud, in the Hebrew language, spelled Aleph, Yud, Chet, Daled. It is a derivative of the word Echad, Aleph, Chet, Daled. And of course, we know the famous words, Echad. We read them right in Deuteronomy, chapter 6, verse 4. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. That greatest of all commandments, as some would call it. That line that typified the Jewish saga for millennia. God is one. Elohim hu echad. And that is the root word of what might be the government we are going to get here. Memshelet Ichud, a unity government. It doesn't really mean unity, it means oneness. It means a government that has entered into a oneness of agreement, oneness of purpose, oneness of function in order to serve the people well. And it is a derivative of how God described himself. God is one, echad. And we'll talk again tomorrow.